want to search for music, and as you can see here guys, this is music. You want to click it. Now here you can search in the top, it says there search music. You can search for any music you want. Click down in the top right, and then click this arrow at the very bottom right. Like I said guys, you want to click done in the top right and then click this arrow at the very bottom right. I stopped it because it was playing music that is copyrighted, so I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. So like I said guys, and then click share at the very bottom, and that's all you need to do. By the way guys, you can remove the song lyrics, like lyrics of the music. You can remove so like you see guys, you can just resize the lyrics. You can just zoom them, or you can just resize them, like make them smaller, like disappear from the screen, so that only music and your Instagram story will appear. So hopefully this video guys is helpful to you. Hopefully guys this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I reply to everything.